Today we're going back to one of the legends of the DSLR world, the Nikon D3. Released in 2007, the D3 was a groundbreaking camera that set a new standard for professional photography, build quality. The Nikon D3 is built like a tank, literally. It features a magnesium alloy body with full weather sealing, making it perfect for war zones, wildlife photography, or extreme weather. It has a built-in vertical grip, which not only gives it a premium professional look but also improves battery life and ergonomics. Sensor image quality. The Nikon D3 is a full-frame 12.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, Nikon's first full-frame DSLR ever. While 12 MP might sound small today, it was a sweet spot for dynamic range and low-light performance back in the day. The D3 introduced incredible ISO performance for its time, with a native ISO range from 200 to 6400. Expandable to an astonishing ISO 25600, high 2. Even by today's standards, the D3 delivers usable low-light images with minimal noise, video capability. If you're a hybrid shooter, there's a catch: the Nikon D3 does not offer video recording. This was a stills-only powerhouse. If video is essential, you'll want to look at the D3S or newer models. Battery life on the Nikon D3 is exceptional. It uses the ENEL4A battery, and you can easily shoot over 4,000 shots per charge depending on settings and usage. Overall, the Nikon D3 was a DSLR that defined a generation. Even today, it's more than capable in the hands of a skilled photographer. If you're after robust build quality, excellent low-light performance, and pro-level reliability, and can live without video, the D3 still delivers. Thank you so much.